Welcome to No Sag Never Bored. Today's kind of a chill episode. So a few months ago I built a electric guitar wood puzzle and I thought it was pretty cool, so I got a drum kit to go with it, so I'm going to build that, and while I'm building that, I'm going to try some weird drinks. Got this Redneck Cafe bacon hot chocolate, and then I got some West of the 5th Espresso Moonshine, and then I got this Collective Arts Stranger Than Coffee and Maple Syrup. So this is like a coffee and maple syrup flavored beer. I got G to thank for all of these, so thanks G. Hopefully these are good, and well, I guess there's nothing to do but get into it. So, I think it's time to make some hot chocolate, put on a movie, and get to it. That definitely smells like bacon. Smells like chocolate and bacon. This should be interesting. So let's give it a go. Well, it tastes like hot chocolate. Get like a hint of bacon. It's not overpowering. It's actually pretty good. Better than I was expecting. That's for sure. Hot chocolate's kind of weird. It definitely tastes like bacon and hot chocolate. It's probably more or less what you'd expect. I think one mug of it's good for me, but it was fun to try. Okay, so far I've got 3 drums and one of the kick pedals done, and that's about it. This is going to take a little while, but that's okay. The night is young. These stickers don't seem to want to stay very good. Keep popping off, so I'm gonna have to try and secure them better. Right, it's time for my shot. This is West of the 5th Espresso Moonshine. Definitely tastes like coffee. That's pretty good. I'm not a big drinker, so like the alcohol-y flavor, which is minimal, still kind of gets to me, but this is good. Woo! Woo! On to the next drum. I think this is the bass drum, and then after that it looks like stands and cymbals and a stool. It's gonna be a while. I'm not gonna make you watch me build every little bit of it. We'll just check in a little while and see what I've built, and I'll crack that beer. Hey buddy, how you doing? That good girl. I'm tired. That bass drum gave me some trouble. Parts of it broke and I had to use some glue. So I think I earned this, so I'm really hoping this one's gonna be good. Oh, it smells like coffee. Weird. It's like a hint of coffee, a hint of beer. I'm really getting much maple, maybe a little bit. I don't think I'd drink this all the time, but it's not bad. It's fun to try something new. Anyway. Back to my movie, back to my building. I will check in with you when I got a little more progress and I've finished the beer so I can give my final thoughts. Well, most of it's assembled, just gotta build the base now. So, finish this beer, finish that up, and then I'll finish watching these movies. Beer's done. Gotta say the beer was my least favorite of the 3 drinks I had. I think I just like plain beer more than flavored beer, but Moonshine was really good, and hot chocolate was interesting. Would I recommend any of them? The Moonshine, yeah, that was really good. The other 2, I mean, only if you're curious. Otherwise, yeah, you probably can just pass. Alright, I'm gonna finish this drum set now. Well, that's it for the drum kit. It's done. It'll look good sitting next to my guitar, so I'm happy with that. It's a nice compliment to the little guitar, so I'm happy with it. Well, thanks for hanging out with me on a Friday night. Watched a couple movies, tried some new drinks, and built the drum set. So it's a pretty fun evening for me. I don't know. Anyway, I appreciate you joining me on this quest to never be bored. So until next time, remember, boredom is a choice. Choose not to be bored. And we'll see you next time. Now it's time to clean up and go walk my dog.